This small space that I'm standing in measures 120 by 70 cm, and it is all I have to get a talking head shot for my YouTube videos, just like this one. And today, I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bernard and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be going through all the equipment that I use to achieve this talking head shot that you're seeing right now, and I'm going to show you how I set it up. The equipment I'm using is not exactly cheap, but it is still pretty affordable and it is a good investment in the long run. Not all equipment mentioned will be compulsory, but it will definitely add production value to the overall image. I will list the equipment in the order of importance. So first up, we have the camera. My camera of choice is the A7 III. Obviously, you do not need an expensive camera just for this. Any camera with video recording capabilities would work, even something as simple as your smartphone. But if you chose to go with a camera like mine, the next thing you will need is a lens. As we are in a tight space, I would recommend using a lens that's 28mm or wider. If you are using a tight lens like a 50mm, your shot will end up looking like this. The next key ingredient for your video is good audio. As I'm in such close proximity to my camera, I've decided to use a shotgun mic mounted on the camera. If I was any further away from the camera, I would opt to boom up the microphone or to use a wireless lav instead. The fourth thing you will need for your video is light. Lights are very important because without light, your videos will end up looking like this. There are a few ways to light your video. You can use natural light like what I'm doing right now. However, I prefer not to use this method as the sunlight can change over time and this can make hard cuts in your video very apparent. Your next option is to black out your room and use your room light. However, you might find that the light isn't bright enough or that it isn't color accurate. The best option is to use video lights, and the first one you would need is a key light. Your key light should be the one with the brightest output. I'm using the HR672S as my key light, and to soften it, I use sheets of baking paper stapled together. The next two lights aren't as essential, but will definitely help make your shot look more professional. I am using the Aperture AL-MW as a rim light. I am also setting up the AL-F7 behind the computer as an ambient light as it has an adjustable temperature. The last step I do to finalize the overall image is to switch my monitor on to get some contrast in the background. The last item is pretty much non-essential, but it makes your life so much easier if you are using a camera with a screen that doesn't swivels out. Having an external monitor not only allows you to frame your shot better, it also allows you to monitor that everything is in order while you are filming. This will help increase your productivity, so I recommend that you get one if your budget allows you to. That's pretty much what I do and use to get a talking head shot just like this one. I hope you guys found this video useful and don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. That's all for this video, it's a wrap!